Trubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Ka First Meghalaya Police Battalion ha ka atarik ujemang kala Rakhe ka jingdap san post nem jongka lani ka Golden Jubili celebration hamau yong. Ha ka te ka sngi lapan ko buram ya ki laingot ki officer ki ba kanthop ya ka kong ida shisha nongrang IPS kabala long ka commandant jong ka ni ka battalion na do ka khan riu tarik uyayong khat khandai spa khandai pu khandai ha do ka atarik urempang ar hajar ar. Uba WR marbanyang IPS bala syongthaj ubala yalam ya ka first MLP battalion na do kalai tarik uleber khat khandai spa prapuwe hadu ka arpu pra tarik ujil liu khat khandai spa prapu ar bat ubi ar rana IPS bala syongthaj haba ai jingkran ha ka te ka sngi kom ukong san uba la kamen rumpui ubade umentri ka tanat po yeng ka jella ula ai ka jing khuble ya baro ki nong tai jonga battalion ki bala syongthaj bat komju ki badang dan ha preng ka jing shakri jongki ki bala ai ka jing shakri met bat mensiam na ka benta ka jella bat karihi baro ko wei uba ramboi ula ong baka kampulet kamde ka kam ka basuk bat ula ong bade na ka jing tri shitom bat ka jinglan na dia jong kini ki pulet baki kam sni ha po ka jella kila kham duna uba ramboi lapan pau ba udap da ka jingkaman baka seng ka hinyo trap National Liberation Council HNLC kalakwa wanwan sha ka miet jong ka jing yakran yasuk klam dabu yakinu kinu ki kendon khrang baka jing shong sok shong san kendon ha po ka jella
कमर एक ब्रेक ट्वाइसी छह कंटीजेंट ब्रेक पर हाजिर है श्रीमान जय श्रीमान
Ladies and gentlemen, the Commander Nur Zaman Sheikh MPS.
राष्ट्रीय सैल्यूट
Paslim, Lance Naik Paul Kharbani, Lance Naik Karan Brahma, Anpant Lance Naik Yorami Bare, स्वर्ण जयंती परेड समारोह पर इनका धीरे चाल से
मेरे अधिकारी मुझे जो हुक्म देंगे ईमानदारी के साथ पालन रहूंगा मेघालय पुलिस के नाम को हमेशा उच्चा रहूंगा ईश्वर मेरे मदद करे
आनंद का फर्स्ट फायरिंग स्टन ग्रेनेड का फायरिंग और यह ड्रोन कैमरा प्रदर्शन शस्त्र का प्रदर्शन वाणी आगे पैक कमांड
General give a salute to the Honorable Chief Guest on dais. My Lord Chief.
बेहतरीन प्रदर्शन मैं रिक्वेस्ट give them a big round of applause. Thank you. बहुत ही सुंदर
She escaped Mount Everest on 18 May 2013 at 8:50 a.m. and unfurled the
for the safety and security of the state. And through it all, sir, you have supported us and been the driving force to encourage Meghalaya Police to strive harder and to achieve the best. On this auspicious occasion, I take this opportunity to greet and a special mention to the following three officers. Srimati Ira Shisha Nongrang IPS, who commanded 1st Battalion from 16 April 1999 to 2nd February 2002. From day one, Ma'am has supported us to make this day a grand success. Rare is the person who goes out of her way to take personal interest in the nitty-gritty of the arrangement, and rarer still is one who would not speak of the good she has done. Ma'am Ida is one such exceptional individual. Shri W.R. Marbanyang IPS retired, who commanded 1st Battalion from 3rd March 1981 to 28 June 1982. Mr. W.R. Marbanyang has always been a source of inspiration and guidance for us, and he was a pillar of strength as we tried to bring this program to fruition. Shri B.R. Rana IPS retired, who has pardoned himself for not being able to attend because he's down with a very severe flu, but he also commanded the 1st Battalion from the 31st October 1994 to 16 April 1999.
A privilege for me to be able to present here in your midst to celebrate the achievement of this battalion in the last 50 years. I pay my tribute to the service rendered by the past personnel, the retired personnel of this battalion, and also the present. In these last 50 years, I'm sure all the personnel of this battalion have served with dignity, responsibility, and the best for the state. It is because of the service rendered by them that the police department as a whole could overcome so many challenges at hand. Policing nowadays, as the commandant has already mentioned, it is very difficult. It is very challenging in this new world order. The police personnel are living in a glass house where everybody trying to judge what they are doing and what they are in discharging their duties. As we know, in the age of digital era, where is mandated by the Supreme Court that all the Thana should be installed with CCTV, and all the crime scene have to be videographed, photographed, and all the activities have to be properly recorded so that anything happen and anything which they are doing could be substantiated. Why it is like that? It is because police is for the society, and society needs policing, but there is always a mistrust between the society and the action of police, no matter what. Having said that, it is because of the selfless sacrifice made by the policeman that we are able here today. The Meghalaya police as a whole have achieved many things in the past and also now, but it's a continuous process. the dynamic of investigation is changing, and the dynamic of presenting of charge sheet is changing. I'm very happy that the police department as a whole are alive to the situation, and they have empowered themselves to meet all these challenges. On the law and order front, we have seen that in the past many days, this few years, the crime has subsided. Subside is not only because of the endeavor of the police, it is also because the society as a whole they want that peace should prevail in the state of Meghalaya. And not only that, we have seen that in most of the crime which happen, be in Shillong or in another part of the state, the police department able to track, able to nab many of the culprits. I'm very happy that even HNLC has agreed without condition to have a talk so that amicable solution could be arrived, so that peace and tranquility could be there in the state of Meghalaya. Having said that, it is not very easy as a policeman, as I said before, that every action, there is always a reaction. But I'm very happy that the personnel, in spite of many challenges, in spite of many criticism, in spite of many things, they are doing their duty dutifully. As the government, we will try to support in every be in infrastructure, be in technical thing or anything, so that, because by empowering the police department, it is like empowering the people who serve the society, so that peace or crime in the state could be reduced as much as possible. Once again, I'm very thankful to the Special Director General of Police, who have, in these last few months, under her guidance, the police department have able to achieve many things. And at this juncture, I want to say something with my media friend. Once again, I'm very thankful to the 1st MLP Battalion for all the service which the past personnel, the present, and more about the future. One more thing I would just want to say right now, police is not unemployment. Joining a police is not to get employment. It is a profession where you have to perform. If we take this as employment, you remember that the dedication of duty, the professionalism slowly will be reduced, and police department or police will become just like other department. So I request all the youth of the state who are aspiring to join the police force, don't take it as an employment, take it as a profession to serve the society to the best of your ability. With these few words, I congratulate the Meghalaya Battalion on its 50th years of its celebration. It is coinciding with the 50th year of our statehood.
Sir, thank you. Thank you, madam. Thank you very much.
We thank the Honorable Minister Shri Lakshman for releasing.
फोल्ड किया जा रहा है और हमारे कमांडर को इसके तुरंत बाद समर्पित किया जाएगा। लेडीज इज्जत और सम्मान चाहिए यहाँ पर इस फ्लैग को दी गई।
पेन प्लेस खत्म हो चुका है। परेड विसर्जन के लिए अनुमति चाहता हूँ श्रीमान। साहब।
और जैसे कि आप सभी ने देखा, बैंड बहुत ही सुंदर तरीके से ये अपने जगह लेते हुए इसे लेट कर रहे हैं। बेल्ट से सम्मानित किया गया है वर्ल्ड टाइकेंडो फेडरेशन द्वारा। और good. Big round of applause.